Sri T.G. Venkatesh.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I belongs to Rayalaseema region, most backward region, entire country and also our state. Our region consisting of 4 districts, almost all the districts drought affected districts declaring from the day one of the independence. So I want to appeal you, sir, some special grants has to be provided to this Rayalaseema region. Earlier special status, some grants used to give every district 50 crores. That has to be revived, sir, for that one. Earlier, before 1953, our region was in Tamil Nadu. Bifurcation, before bifurcation, all investments of our region people have been invested in Tamil Nadu. After bifurcation, Kurnool became the capital. Just before developing 53, 56, again shifted to the Telangana amalgamated in Andhra Pradesh. Again investment made all our people in capital Hyderabad. Again bifurcation has been taken place. Again Vijayawada it has been shifted. Sir. Vijayawada started investing our people because our people, capital means they love and they invest. And Amravati invested. Now the proposal is there to shift it to Vizag also. So at least Secretariat should be with us, or second capital, say winter capital, call it summer capital like Nagpur, should be there here, sir, in Rayalaseema region. Otherwise, will be all leaders are playing like a football our region, sir. So one more thing, sir, our leadership is very strong in our region. Every 4 districts, every district represented chief ministers, earlier and present, before amalgamation, after amalgamation. Everybody, strong leaders, and our 4 districts, 2 districts, one from Anantapuram district, President of India elected, another district, Prime Minister elected. So politically we are strong, sir. And rich mines are there. Very rich mines are there. Gold mines are there. Diamond mines are there. When rainy season, the diamonds will be visible, and big traders from other states, they will come and buy from the agriculturalist small investment. So like that, the diamond projects to be created, gold projects to be, gold excavation has to be done, and iron ore is there, steel plant has to be put it, railway repair plant has been created, but money has not been given to that one, so the project has not completed. DRDO projects have been announced, still not yet commissioned. And like that, sir, Greyhounds announced, still not yet come. Like.
Thank you. Time is over, Venkateshji. Rajamani Patel. It will not go on record, even if I sympathize with you. But